If you are wondering how to increase your conversions and your sales, then keep watching as we talk about why copywriting is one of the most underutilized parts of marketing for small business owners and entrepreneurs. I just finished doing a workshop for Minority Enterprise Development Week on content marketing and copywriting specifically. So I wanted to share with you my favorite copywriting formula to use. It's pretty easy. It does not require that you take a course or a certification. This video is probably all you need. So let's talk about the formula. It's called the 4P formula, and it stands for promise, picture, proof, and push. So I do want to give you a concrete example of how you can use every element of the 4P formula in your own business to market your products and services, whether you're using social media, video marketing, email marketing, or you're redesigning your website like I am. The 4P formula can be used and integrated with any of those elements of your current marketing efforts. So this example is from Proactive, and I'm sure you've seen one of their commercials or images in the last several years. So Proactive uses as their big, bold promise, your skin can be clear. And you can see that they are using that as their headline. Now, you can use this as your email subject line. You can use this big, bold promise as the headline on the landing page. You can use this headline also on one of your website pages. So there's a lot of places where you can use this big, bold promise. You can even use it in your social media captions on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok as a text overlay on one of your images. So the first element is promise. Secondly, you want to paint the picture for your audience. The picture that Proactive is using is that, hey, acne is tough. We understand that, it's challenging. You can actually, be feeling like you want to withdraw from the world. So in this ad, they are painting the picture of what people with acne go through. The final two elements, proof and push, is really just kind of showcasing your testimonials. So Proactive they used to use a lot of celebrity stories. I believe Vanessa Williams was a celebrity that told her story and her experience with acne and how she used Proactive to clear her skin. But they had other celebrities as well. So this is where you whip out all of your testimonials, or at least some of them, video or text, to incorporate them into your marketing message, utilizing the 4P formula, of course. And then the final element is going to be the push. This is where you actually ask for the sale or whatever it is that you're using as your call to action in this element of your marketing. So for Proactive in this scenario, they're actually using the push at the bottom where it says kits starting as low. And I believe that they've, experimented with price points from $29.99 to $49.99. So they're wanting people to go ahead and order their kit. That's the push. So your push could be subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your push could be follow me on Instagram. Your push could be subscribe to my email list or take advantage of our promotion that we're running for the next several days. So whatever your push is, that is, the last element of the 4P formula. Try it. It really does work in numerous places of your marketing efforts, but especially with the holiday season already upon us, this is a perfect time to start integrating it if you want to see sales. Now, that is the end, but if you want to learn more about how to use copywriting, I hope that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel because I am doing a series through the month of October on how to increase sales using basic copywriting principles. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day.